Get Udemy courses for free? Feels illegal, but don't worry, it might be helpful for engineer graduates. So this website name is freecoursesite.com. Click on first link. Interface looks like this. Turn off ad blocker in your browser, otherwise page doesn't open. Select which course you want. Here I am clicking on Ultimate Web Designs and Web Developer course. So many ads will display. Don't mind it, go down of this page. Here it is torrent link. Click on download. After clicking, the page looks like this. Click on click to verify. After clicking new page will be open. Click on generate link. After a few seconds download option will become, click on it. Check out CAPTCHA box and click on click here to download. After a few seconds your page looks like this. Click on get link and download it. After download open downloads. Click on downloaded file. It will show torrent apps in your Deviki here. I am using FDM torrent, click on download. Here it is. It was downloading. If you want more like this, subscribe this channel.